Hey Facebook, this is Scotty Stephens from Charles Maund Toyota. Today we're going to take a test drive in the new 2020 Camry XSE. This comes in two models. It comes with a V6 and it also comes with a 4-cylinder. There's three different modes that you can drive this in. There's an eco, there's a normal, and there's a sport that you can shift into, and you can paddle shift on the actual steering wheel. It allows you to treat it as if it's a standard. Also with the XSE, it has very, very good agile steering, auto high beams, capabilities to do Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Also, it has a charging port. Sits down in kind of little cubby hole here past the gear shift and actually lets you wirelessly charge your phone as you're driving. Also, it comes with a sunroof, moonroof combination. It lets a lot of light in all the way to the front and the back. Gives you great interior visibility, and also the quiet ride of the XSE. You can carry on a conversation from the front to the back seat, which is awesome. Also comes with Toyota Safety Sense. It's got lane departure assist with steering assist, which alerts you to any vehicles that are coming around you. So when you're getting from lane to lane, that'll allow you to be safe on the highway. Another thing about the XSE is radar cruise control. If you're driving down the highway and you set your cruise and someone changes lanes in front of you, the radar detects that object in front, slows the vehicle down. If the vehicle goes back in the other lane, your car picks up at the exact same miles per hour that you had it set to begin with. Also, what I like about the XSE too as well is it has power seats, especially on the driver's side. It's a 10-way power seat, USB ports in the front. It also has heated seats. It's just push button. It also has an electronic parking brake, and it also has brake hold. You can actually leave your car and drive and hit the hold button, and it'll hold your car where it's at. All of a sudden you're ready to go, hit the hold button, releases, and it lets you drive without ever putting the car in park. Thanks for your time. I appreciate it. We're at Charles Maund Toyota, 8400 Research Boulevard, under the flags on 183. The only family-owned Toyota dealership in Austin. We're number one in Austin, number one in Central Texas when it comes to selling Toyota. So keep your money in Austin and come by and let's do some test drives on all of the makes and models that we have here at Toyota. But if you're really, really interested in the XSE Camry, the 2020, Toyotathon starts now. Come down and see me, Scotty Stephens at Charles Maund Toyota, and see if we can't get you into a new 2020 XSE Camry.